roaming around internet and I found this website that's called Vibot, and you can also search for it on Google, and it's just works. It gives you 5 prompt, and one I have used, and see this. It can do research, and it's basically the purpose of it is to research on a topic like why does runner high come up. Okay, you can type it on your own also, and it started doing the research, and it's in a quite good format, and it's also generates the text also. Let me see the APIs that they are calling. Okay, okay, all calling anything. Research is done. So maybe they are using another tech, but the thing I want to say that this is just awesome site, and maybe it's an awesome project to create for you. So it uses React.js, and it's fullstory.com what they used. React flow.dev. Okay, Vibot.heroku.com. Okay, so they have APIs. Fetch API, they are using Open API, and uh, they used plain React, and I think here they have set up the backend. They had. Can we get the API key from here? We can do it by just going here and inspect it. Okay, just go to console. This is the reverse engineering thing. You can do it on later, but this website project is awesome. Let's go back and try some random questions. Okay, so I got this whiteboard, then this GPT prompt, and this thing. Okay, this video was supposed to of uh, promoting this website, but I think I'm doing scrapping here. Okay, okay, it's a get request. Firestone. Okay. Payload. Google session ID. So you can also grab things from here. I think this is one of the thing. uh, uh, Use on API key. My API key is ABCD1234. Let's start with SKDS and 51 characters. Okay, so now it is completion. I'm just saying that how they are sending the messages. Max token. Okay, GPT. Very helpful assistant. 2 plus 2, they are taking this. If the answer will be 4, then it's right or something. Okay, so where's our 1 2 3? So I think this will take time, and I will do it later if I found the API key they are using, because they have just used plain React, but they are also using uh, backend. For backend they are using the Heroku app. Okay, so Express, they are using Express. So these were the thing I have shared, that they are the knowledge that you can use to reverse engineer any website, just like I reverse engineered. I'm telling you a story about I have reverse engineered this website, santa.ac, and created this website. Okay, so what I did, they created it using plain React. I'm just telling you the overview. There are a lot many things that you can do it, and that I know, and in future I can share with you. So this is the JavaScript file of the compiled JavaScript React.js. This might be a heavy load file. So, and this is taking time. So it is taking time. I just took these things and compiled it in, but you cannot do the same thing with all website. The different website have different strategies, and my internet is slow, but I am just saying you the overview, that they had created a limit of 5 messages that you can send, and this is basically an AI chatbot uh, for Santa Claus, for kids, that Santa talks to kids, something like this, and it came with a limit. So I removed the limit from this, from the JavaScript file. Uh, I use Prettier and other extension to read the code a little bit, because React creates codes that are not readable enough. So you can see the amount of request that
Ho,
is
ho, ho,
going on.
ho. Hello, my little friend. Merry Christmas. I'm so happy you found the time to talk to me today. What's
See
your
this,
name?
allow, and hello Santa, my name is Shashwat.
Hello, Shashwat. How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
That's wonderful, Shashwat. Are you enjoying the holiday season so far? Ho, ho,
Yes,
ho.
of
Hello, my
course.
little friend. Merry Christmas. I'm so happy you
You
found the
can
time
also
to talk
type
to me
here.
today. What's your name? That's delightful to hear, Shashwat. How did your Christmas celebrations go? It looks like you typed a little jingle there by accident. You might be having a bit of keyboard fun there. What was your favorite part of the Christmas celebrations? Looks like we're having some fun with letters. If there's anything you'd like to share about your festive time.
So this was the thing. Created this. I did describe it. It is, the UI is not looking good, because uh,
Ho, ho, ho. Let's see what we can talk about here. I may not be an expert on those technical matters, but I'm sure with some
okay, let's listen that. So it's created by eternity.ac. If they have problem,
Ho,
I
ho,
can
ho. It
remove the
seems like
website.
there might be a little mix up there, my dear friend.
See, the
Could
UI
you
is
tell me
good,
your
and
name so we can start our festive conversation?
the Santa can also walk around and go to the whatever that's called the tree things ever. So that is the thing I scrapped, and there are a lot of many reverse engineering strategies, and that's also some part of ethical hacking. So if you want to learn, just uh, tell me in comments or in the community. That link will be given in description. Try out that, do some research, and find out what you want to learn. And that's all for this video. See you.